Every year, the magic happens. The suffering humanity across continents get to see a light of hope. Hope of relief from pain, end of misery, with more years to live a healthy life. This is the magic of Rotary that is seen in many unknown places in the African continent. Year after year, Rotarian doctors and volunteers from India reach out to the people of Africa and change their lives. It was in 1997 that the past Rotary International President Rajendra K. Saboo and his wife Usha conceived this unique initiative to share the medical expertise of Indian doctors with the people who do not have access to advanced health care. In August 1998, he collected a team of 8 doctors and 6 volunteers to fly down to Uganda and undertook 269 eye surgeries and intraocular implants, while 113 corrective orthopedic surgeries were done. Since then, there had been no looking back for the couple, who completed their 20 years in 1998 of compassion and passion to alleviate the suffering of humanity with their revisit to Uganda. Continuing with the same zeal and enthusiasm, the Saboos undertook another VTT medical mission to Madagascar in February 2019 with 19 doctors from 8 different specialties. Between them, they carried 1,300 kilos of medicine and high-end equipment, which was later gifted to the hospitals where the teams worked with the local doctors in the departments of ophthalmology, general surgery, plastic surgery, ENT, orthopedic, gynecology, dental, and dermatology. 2 Rotary International directors, Alinka Babalola and C. Bhaskar with his wife Mala, joined the medical mission as volunteers. And highlight was when Rotary International President Barry Rayson also arrived to participate. Right from his arrival at the hospital, it was heartwarming to see him mingle with the team, attend to patients, carry them from the operation theatre to the ward, enjoying the same packed lunch with the team, and attending briefing sessions. Once back in Evanston, he wrote, "The team has completely energized me as a Rotarian and reminded me that our organization is exceptional in service to humanity. I cannot thank them enough for the incredible work they did with thousands of patients, with training local doctors, with a constant positive attitude, and with a caring heart." The mission, costing $87,000, was supported under the Rotary Foundation's Global Grant, with the Rotary International District 3080 as the lead district, and was supported by international partners, District 6200, District 6880, and 6760. The Health Ministry of Madagascar supported the medical mission with the great enthusiasm. Many of the doctors and paramedic staff were trained in advanced skills and conducted surgeries and procedures under the supervision of Indian doctors. Since 1998, Rajendra K. Saboo has initiated and coordinated 46 such medical missions and VTTs to 15 countries, out of which he has personally led 26 of them. Over 500 doctors and volunteers have given their time and expertise to be a part of this humanitarian project. impacting over 250,000 lives. And the greatest reward is the smiles of the people who could get relief from pain and sickness, and many of them could live a healthy life. And this journey continues.